Before we create the solid, we will change the main level to level 2. Levels are a primary organizational tool in Mastercam. A Mastercam file can contain separate levels for wireframe, surfaces, drafting entities, solids, and toolpaths. By organizing your files into levels, you can easily control which areas of the drawing are visible at any time and which parts are selectable. By doing so, you will not inadvertently make changes to areas of the drawing you do not want to change. Right-click in the graphics area and change the level to 2. Then press Enter. Next, we will create the solid body by extruding a closed chain. The solid extrude command uses planar chains to create one or more solid bodies, create cuts in an existing solid, or create bosses to an existing solid. Mastercam extrudes entities by driving the shapes of the entity along a linear path using a specified direction, distance, and other parameters that further define the results. Select Solids. Then select Extrude. Select this circle. Then press OK. Change the distance to 1.25. Then press the reverse button direction if necessary. Extrusion operation is used to create a solid body, cut a solid body, or add a boss to another solid. Because this is the first solid we're creating, only Create Body is enabled. The reverse direction button extrudes the solid in the opposite direction from the arrow on the chain indicating the extrusion direction. Distance allows you to control the length of the extrusion by specifying a distance, extending through all, and extending in both directions, or trimming to selected faces. Both directions allows you to extrude in both directions from the chain. Press OK to exit the command. Press Alt-S on your keyboard to shade and unshade the geometry. Click on the Solids panel. Then click the plus next to Solid. To modify any solid operations, double-click on the operation. The panel will appear. You can make changes and then select the Regen All button. Next, we will add a boss for the arms. Select Extrude. Then select the chain here. And press OK. Change the type to Add Boss. And set the distance to 0.5 and press Enter. Then press OK and create new operation. Select this circle and press OK. Make sure that the arrow is pointing downwards. If it's not, click on the reverse button. Change the distance to 0.125 and press Enter. Then press OK and create new operation. Select the pocket here. Then select Chain Feature. All 8 pockets should now be selected. Press OK. Make sure the arrow is pointing down. Then change the type to Cut Body. Make sure the distance is 0.125. Then press OK and create new operation. Select the circle here. Then select Chain Feature and press OK. Make sure the arrow is pointing down. The type is set to Cut Body. And then select Through All. Then press OK and create new operation. Press Alt-S to unshade the solid. Then select the arc here and press OK. Change the direction. Make sure Cut Body is selected and set the distance to 1 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Shade the geometry and rotate the part so you can see the bottom. Return your view to isometric. We will now chamfer the part. One distance chamfer uses edge blending to create a symmetrical beveled edge with the same chamfer distance for both edge faces. Select the Levels Manager. Click the X in the visible column for level 1. Then select One Distance Chamfer. Make sure Edge is selected and disable selection for face and body. Then select the edge from the top of each of the pockets. And select the edge at the top of the 2 holes. Then press OK. Enable Propagate Along Tangencies. Propagate Along Tangencies extends the chamfer along all tangent edges until a non-tangent edge is reached. Change the distance to 0.025 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Select this edge. Then press OK. Change the distance to 0.125 and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Return your view to isometric and save your work.